Honda CBR1100XX Super Blackbird. Servus and welcome to MotorTop. Yeah, today I will do a little comparison between a launch with high RPMs and a launch with low RPMs. And I will compare the results with the Racebox Mini. So, as you can see, the launch with low RPM is not so bad compared to a launch with high RPMs. But yeah, difference is about 3 to 4 tenths of a second at my bike, the Honda CBR1100XX. And here you can see the detailed results of the Racebox Mini. But it also depends on the kind of bike and the gear ratio. So I guess with a bike with a long gear ratio, maybe the difference is a little bit higher. And at the bike with a short gear ratio and with a lot of torque, also in low RPMs, I guess the difference will be maybe a little bit smaller. So maybe I can check it in the near future with the BMW Boxer models, because they have a pretty short gearing and a lot of torque and low RPMs. We will see. So have fun and ride safe.